All right, today we're going to walk through a house that probably has the most termite damage of any home I've ever been involved with. You're going to see in the video that this home is eaten up in the front of the house. It's really, really bad. Most of the 2x4s, most of the studs are just disintegrated. You'll see the honeycombs. You can probably see some of them behind me already as we're in one of the bedrooms right now. But let's walk around and let's look at this damage and see just how bad it really is. Well, from the outside, you can't really tell that there's really any damage, but I want to show you a couple of things with this exterior. If you can see the cracks in there, that's basically how they were getting in behind this stonework here. You can see that's just all rot. So this is the main living room. And you can see the damage. This is why termite treatment in the state of Florida is so important. Okay, so you've got the living room area, and then you've got these two bedrooms. You've got your first bedroom, which you saw in the beginning of the video. Luckily, the homeowner did open these walls because there is no live infestation currently. But the damage has been done. The other kind of crazy thing about this is actually a short sale, which has been approved, but it's been approved on the condition and the issues with the house and not the borrower's financial situation, which is not that common. Luckily, the damage is mostly in the front of the house in these rooms. There is one back bedroom that has not been opened, but we're anticipating a little bit of damage in those studs as well. But the rest of the house is really untouched. And I know what probably everyone's thinking, what about the trusses and inside the attic? Well, from what I know from inspections that have been done or people that have checked it out, there is no issue with the trusses, nothing like that. Luckily, they didn't get up in there. So really the biggest damage is really what you see, including these top plates. But everything's fixable for the right price. So this is the other bedroom where we're anticipating there's going to be some damage. You really can't see too much. You've got these two bedrooms, the master bath in there, and this living room in front area that's all eaten up. Like I said, it's probably the most damage I've seen in one where it's been exposed in my career, and I've seen some good ones, but This one's pretty bad. All right, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the termite damage. Like I said, some you don't see every day. Hopefully you never experience that. I know for us agents, we see it quite often, but just a good example and reminder of why it's so important to have proper termite treatment done on a property, especially here in Florida, where we have a huge termite problem, a lot of moisture and everything else. But just remember, whenever you're buying a house, get your WDO. Even if your lender doesn't require it, make sure you get it. It's extremely important. The reports are really cheap. Most of them are $100, less than $150. Know what you're buying. And hopefully, if you're a homeowner, that you have proper yearly maintenance from a company on your house for termites, so this doesn't happen to you. Anyway, appreciate you watching the video. Please, if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more cool content, especially real estate stuff that you just rarely see. A lot of foreclosure information and a lot of how-to information.